Unseen transcription 400 words, 80 word per minute. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Honorable members, tragic accidents at unmanned railway crossings have for years been a subject of discussion in our country. This subject has also been raised many times in the parliament in 2014. Unmanned crossings in the country numbered 8,300. My government undertook a mission to eliminate unmanned railway crossings, which have now almost been done away with. Our citizens have to frequently deal with natural calamity of one kind or the other. Every year there are floods in some districts and drought in some others. My government is fully focused on the management of natural disasters, and the financial assistance has been more than doubled so that relief work can be performed with full capacity, be it the cyclonic storms in southern states or the floods in eastern India. My government has exhibited promptness and sensitivity in relief and rehabilitation works, mindful of the prevalence of injustice and deprivation in the society. My government has been working towards reforming the legal system so as to ensure social and economic justice. The Citizenship Amendment Bill will help in the securing of Indian citizenship by those victims who were persecuted and were compelled to seek refuge in India. These people cannot be blamed since they were victims of circumstances. My government has made a provision for capital punishment in case of heinous crimes like rape of minors. In many states, capital punishment has been awarded after quickly completing the hearing, which has sent out a strong message to persons with such perverted thinking, with a view to liberate our Muslim daughters from a life of fear and anxiety, and to provide them with equal right to lead their lives at par with other daughters. My government is striving hard to get the triple talaq bill passed by the parliament. Similarly, grant of constitutional status to the other backward classes commission demonstrates my government's commitment towards social justice. A historic decision has been taken in the last winter session of Parliament to pass the 103rd Amendment to the Constitution to extend the benefit of reservation to the poor belonging to the general category. This is an effort to provide justice and equal opportunity to those poor young men and women who felt left out because of poverty. To ensure that this new arrangement has no impact on the existing reservation, the number of seats in educational institutions stop